So guys, I just got surprised with the characters Galaxy Upgrade Optimus, Springer, and Brunt.
No, you got surprised with Red Alert and Optimus. You knew about the others.
No, Brunt.
Brunt was also a surprise there.
So, guys, I just got surprised with Galaxy Upgrade Optimus Prime Wave, which is Wave 2, Springer, which is also... So, guys, I just got surprised with 3 new characters. Wave 2 Galaxy Upgrade Optimus Prime, people just call him Wave 2 Optimus, and Springer, which is also Wave 2, and Wave 3, which is Brunt. And also, we're going to be doing this reviews in a couple weeks or so. So, bye guys for watching this on the Dad Spin.